You know, the Skywatcher Adventure GTI, the people that have it will know that it is not very unstable. It is a bit unstable. When you rock it back and forth, the legs move. And I narrowed down the problem to the legs have a space inside. So what I'm doing to fix this, as you can see, the mount already has 2 rivets on the inside, but that is only on one side. What I'm doing to reinforce it is I'm drilling 3 holes. As you can see, I made this already. It's a big rivet, 3 holes, and I'm adding rivets from this side. So like this, they are opposite to each other. So the foot is now rock solid, and I'm gonna add the last rivet. It's a bigger rivet than factory. And I have the tool here. Basically I have to bear with me because I cannot do it two-handed. You have to press it again. Basically what it's doing, the rivet is getting bigger inside, and then it snaps, and you're left with that. That's the remnant of the rivet, and the rivet now is inside the foot, and rock solid. I cannot feel any play. It's awesome. I have fixed the issue. As you can see, no play. Before, when I used to do this, the legs would move, and this is really bad. Even like for wind and stuff, just a bit of wind will move the mount when it's not stable. So let's drill and 3 rivets, and we fix the issue. And I hope this helps you if you have this tripod for the Adventure GTI and you know how to fix it now. So don't despair. Just if you have a drill and some rivets, I'm done in 10 minutes. And now the tripod is good again.